Is it mango? Where her at? Hala! Pila ni ka si Mana, te?
Ha?
Pila na ka si Mana?
Mana good. Kuan.
Pwede. Pwede na di ay?
Kalima. Man siguro karon.
5 days?
Oh.
Bata pa man.
Ha?
Bata pa kay circumcise.
Paguluhan na oy, putlan.
That's Ate Bonnie's turkeys.
Kabuntag kay. Nakita lang ni sila ni. Nas no? Tanan manok, turkey, kuan. Sunod siya.
Nga naman na ba sa ikaw feeder? Kakuha nga. So many turkeys, Ate Bonnie. And here's their kabar. Many kabar. Very nice farm. Nice breeze here too. We're watching the circumcising the piglets. We're going to Ate Bonnie's mangoes area. Today they're harvesting Carabao mangoes. Ate, napakibaboy lagi ari. Tulo.
O ang gamay
Ako
na
isa.
Oh, ana yun nun pala nila.
Kana?
Oo, kanang
Pero imo anite.
oo. Wala ba bidinhi?
Ate Mantino.
Oo, sila nagkuan.
Are they harvesting mangoes?
Gubat na ba? Ang ano nila hina?
Okay. Makasama mo na eh. Mangga ba? Damage na ba?
Oh, Jesus! Baby!
Careful. Ouch! Joke.
Diyan sa nila pag-harvest ay daghan naman.
Naman din tao sa tao.
This is the way they harvest mango here.
Ay, ang puking bird.
Oh, this is the way they wrap a mango, guys. I wanna copy this one.
Yeah.
Then at the bottom they staple it.
Staple it at the bottom.
Oh, thank you, te. I'm asking them in one tree how many basket can be filled up. She said that 50 plus, more than. Wow. Naamagul may mangga do. Oh wow, here they are. Hey! What?
You like mango? I'm going to give you some. Come on, get some mango.
Can I have one? Climb it. More. Hurry up. Hurry up. Put your feet up. Lots of mangoes. Oh. Lots of mango, bate. Ate Bonnie, they're not the one who care here. They're the one who spray this one, then I don't know what's their deal. Very nice place here. I am alone walking here because just go inside. I have the one who managed here to Ate Bonnie Mango. They're the one who spray my co-workers and his husband. So just nice chatting to her. For 9 years we met here in Maps. So bye guys.
Ano yan? Pills?
Yan ba?
Atagi ko kalbasa, tibe.
Mira, tunga ta.
Kana? Ay, ikaw na lang maghatag na ko. Dami,
Okay.
ano?
Kamatis mo na. Kung tanong ka kalabasa.
Ate Bonnie sharing here her
Ang ganda naman ng
seeds
lalagyan.
So, sa ano namin yan? Sa
para pangtae.
pills na.